Today we are making these sweet potato wafers or chips. See how crunchy and crispy these are. These come out super amazing guys. So this is very easy to make. Let's make sweet potato wafers. The recipe is very easy guys. Here I have got sweet potato or shakarkand. These are already cleaned ones. Now I am taking a big bowl with some water. We are going to put the shakarkand inside and clean it again. If you want to peel the skin, you can do that, but sometimes, or should I say many times, they turn green when you peel them. So I am keeping the skin on and I am using a steel scrubber to scrub the dirt off. You can also use a brush if you want to. This is clean now. We are going to take a knife and slice off the dried area. Try to cut it diagonally, that way you will be able to make larger chips. Now to make them, here I've got a slicer and I'm going to slice the chips just like this on a plate. See, one diagonal cut and we are getting good sized chips. These are looking great, isn't it? So now let's cook them. Let's make them crispy. Here I've got some oil heating up in medium heat. We will add them one by one and fry them in medium heat itself. All the magic is in the heat guys. As the sweet potato has a lot of sweetness, if you keep the heat high, the sugar will caramelize really fast and we won't get the crispiness, but you will get a lot of color in them. So keep the heat medium. Keep stirring them every now and then and you'll get super crispy chips. It takes about 6 to 7 minutes to cook them completely. Also the flame shouldn't be very low, otherwise they will be very oily guys. Here you can see after about 6 minutes these are looking great and we are getting a light golden color on them. Let's take them out. These will continue to cook and brown even after we take them out guys. Now I am seasoning it with some salt and some red chili powder. Let's shake it together now. Shaking them also removes the extra steam and that makes it extra crunchy. Looks great, isn't it? I mean, sounds great, isn't it? Our super crunchy sweet potato fries, sweet potato chips are ready. Let me get one. Oh wow, this is fantastic guys. Love the sweet element in these chips. Let's make the second batch now. The process is same. You can also make it really quick by slicing it directly over the oil. But I will not recommend you to do it because you're trying to slice the potato over oil and the sweet potatoes are really hard and firm. Any incident can happen, so I will not recommend you to do it. You can do it on a plate and then transfer it into the hot oil. Here my second batch is also getting ready. Our sweet potato chips are done. Let's season it with some salt and some red chili powder and it's now time to enjoy. How was the recipe guys? If you enjoyed it, give it a like and share it with your friends. If you did not like it, click the dislike button. That's all for today. I hope to see you soon with one more new recipe. Bye, take care, happy cooking.